Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your one-stop channel for tech tips and solutions. Today we are going to do something a little spicy. We are going to root your Android phone. If your phone was a car, think of rooting as giving it a turbo boost. We are talking more speed, more customization, and goodbye to bloatware. The best part? No need to hire a mechanic. Here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Prepare your phone. Install Magisk Manager. Download the Magisk zip file. Boot into recovery mode. Install Magisk zip file via recovery. Reboot your phone and verify root. Optional customization. By the end of this video, your phone will feel like it just got a vacation. Faster, smarter, and ready to impress. Let us get started. Step 1. Prepare your phone. Alright everyone, before we get to the fun stuff, we need to make sure your phone is ready for the ultimate makeover. It's like prepping your car for a road trip. You don't want any flat tires when you are cruising down the highway. Unlock developer options. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times. Don't worry, you won't be making a secret potion, just unlocking some special powers. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking. In developer options, enable both USB debugging and OEM unlocking. This will allow us to mess with your phone in the best way possible, of course. Boom! With these settings enabled, your phone is ready to be transformed. Time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Install Magisk Manager. Next up, we need the magical tool that will give us the power to root your phone, Magisk Manager. Think of it as your phone's personal assistant, helping you manage all the root access and cool customizations. Download Magisk Manager. Add to the Play Store or download it directly from the official Magisk website. If you've never heard of it before, don't worry, it is the Robin to your Batman. Install the app. Follow the installation prompts. It is as easy as ordering pizza. Just click next and let the magic happen. With Magisk Manager installed, you are closer than ever to becoming the ruler of your phone's destiny. On to the next step, downloading the Magisk zip file. Step 3. Download the Magisk zip file. You can't root your phone without the secret sauce, so let us grab the Magisk zip file, the key ingredient to your phone's transformation. Download the Magisk zip. Visit the official Magisk website and download the latest version of the zip file. Don't worry, it is not a virus. It is basically like your phone's personal root VIP pass. Transfer to internal storage. Make sure the zip file ends up in your phone's internal storage. You wouldn't want it floating around like a lost sock, right? Now that the zip file is in your phone, we are ready to enter recovery mode and get down to business. Let's boot up. Step 4. Boot into recovery mode. Now comes the fun part. Time to boot into recovery mode, the place where all the magic happens. If your phone was a superhero, this would be its secret hideout. Power off the phone. Shut down your phone, give it a little nap before the big day. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time until your phone boots into recovery mode. It is like waking up from a nap, but with more buttons. Great, now we are in recovery mode. Let's flash the zip file and root your phone. Step 5. Install Magisk Zip via recovery. Here comes the exciting part, flashing the Magisk Zip file. This is like hitting the upgrade button on your phone, except you are doing it with a little more flair. Navigate to Install option. In recovery mode, select the Install option and locate the Magisk zip file. Confirm installation. Swipe to confirm. It is like signing a contract with the universe. Yes, I am ready for more control. The installation will only take a few minutes. Grab a snack while your phone gets its magic boost. Step 6. Reboot your phone and verify root. And now, the moment of truth. It is time to reboot your phone and check if all your hard work paid off. If your phone were a superhero, now's when it puts on the cape. Reboot the phone. Once Magisk is installed, restart your phone to finish the process. Your phone's getting an upgrade, so give it a moment. Check root access. Open Magisk Manager or download a root checker app to see if your phone is rooted. If it says yes, give yourself a high five. You've done it. You have officially rooted your phone. Your device is now in your control. Welcome to the cool club. Step 7. Optional customization after rooting. Now that your phone is rooted, it is time for some fun. Think of this step as to customize your phone like a pro part. You can now tweak your device to your heart's content. Install custom ROMs and root-only apps. Flash custom ROMs or try the apps that need root access. It is like adding accessories to a car. The more, the better. Magis modules. Explore Magis modules to add extra features like removing bloatware or tweaking performance. It is your phone, your rules. The sky is the limit. With root access, you can take your phone from meh to wow. Go ahead, get creative. Before you start customizing your phone, let's go over a few important things. Don't worry, no lectures here. Just some quick tips to keep your phone running smooth. Be careful with rooted apps. Only install apps from trusted sources. Your phone's not a Wild West. Keep it safe. Apps might not work on rooted devices. Some apps like banking or streaming services may not work. No Netflix binging on a rooted phone. Backup regularly. Rooting gives you superpowers, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always back up your data before making any changes. With these tips in mind, you are ready to unleash the full potential of your phone. And that's it! You have successfully rooted your phone and unlocked its full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we will probably be doing something else cool and techy. Until then, stay rooted, my friends. Bye for now.